undefeated teams, game of the week. You already know the vibes, man. Thunder and Lightning, Grinderz, it's about to be a movie. Netflix, Hulu, all the extra stuff. Good job.
Yeah, with the drones, dude. How much shit we pay for? At least last time we got some intro music.
Hold on.
It's a robbery.
No. As long as they pay.
All right, here we go, fellas.
Don't act like you're not used to it. Let's go. It's a motherfucking stick up. That shit.
You gonna roll with us?
Ran into me. And that was what messed me up. Yeah. Hold on, let me get him.
Oh, it's cinnamon.
Stamp Slayer.
Oh yeah, that's what I should have got. You want out?
Yeah, follow through.
I was just finna say something.
Let's go ahead and say, I still need my care package.
Out of time, 10 years in, years in. Strong.
What's up, boy?
Jacboys, need 3.
Grinderz is home?
Guys, alright, cool.
Alright, we got 1, need 2 more. Can we get 2 more? Can we get 2 more? Alright, we'd like to welcome you to the 4th installment of week 5 of the RFB Battlegrounds season. To my left, we have Jacboys. To my right, we have Grinderz. This is heads. And this is tails. Jacboys, calling there. Heads was called?
Tails was called.
Oh, tails was called. Heads it is. Grinderz, you have you have one in the coin toss. What do you like to do?
Defer to the second half.
All right, they would like to defer. What would you like to receive from?
KT, want to see this way? Want to go this way? Go this way. So let's see that.
All right. Everybody shake hands. Let's have a good competitive game of football. Hold on. We'll be in 1 minute.
Yeah.
Jacboys back to the scene.
Here we go. Defense ready?
There's a snap. Steps up in the pocket, takes off past the line of scrimmage. Boom. That's going to be set.
No, not man. Wow.
There's a snap. Snaps. Grinderz up the middle.
Keep it. Yes,
That's going to be first and goal for Jacboys. There's a snap.
I don't know. It's going to be a good game. I think Jacboys may take it.
Really? Fair enough.
Man, gonna stay in the late rush, KT.
There's a snap. Rolling out to the left side.
Another body bag! Give me a new shirt!
Number 2. Making increase. Taking aims. A touchdown for Jacboys is good.
You know now we hitting you.
Jacboys running
It don't matter.
Two-point conversion.
I need a mouthpiece.
We just getting started. We just getting started. I like it though. I like the energy.
Feelings, man. Feelings.
That's a snap. That's right. There's a good not hang on. Jacboys will stick with the 6.
I'm just letting you know the ball was changed. Yeah. So we just need one hand.
Okay.
One hand.
I mean, that's fair. That's how it should be. It ain't like he did it intentionally.
Yeah.
It'd be different if he had no belt at all.
Oh, yeah. I like that.
Hey, throw that bitch again. Back him up. Back him up. Throw it again.
It's got to be higher than that.
Don't care.
Got packed.
Yep.
Oh, that's perfect.
Wait. Suki, get outside.
Drive by body bag.
Hey, Suki.
ZZ, who you got for this game?
I got Jacboys, I ain't gonna lie.
Why?
I ain't even trying to be like on the bandwagon, but Jacboys, they got it together. They got the whole set, defense, offense, you know. I got Jacboys, but Grinderz could pull it out though. They do got some secret weapons. So. I'm going Jacboys for sure, always.
That's a snap. Steps up. Takes off.
Lando.
Go ahead, get it started. They talking cash.
KT!
There you go.
That's a snap. Steps up. Up the middle. That's
Who you got? Who you got, Nick?
I got Grinderz today.
Why?
It's stupid is what stupid does. Why would you bet against him if you been?
On the right side there.
That's why they look this way. They know my name more than his. He been out here longer. They know my name more and he been out here longer. Man, throw the ball. Stop the ball, nigga. Get a catch. Throw the ball.
This game.
Fuck them both. I got nobody.
Dynasty.
Yeah, Dynasty.
Go ahead on. Worm. Who you got for this? And why?
I don't know. It's gonna be a grind, you know. I think I'm going for my boy Grinderz.
Who you got for this game?
Hey, look, man. OG's got to hold it down, man. Grinderz got to hold it down. All right, we can't let this new blood come in and take the lead. Come on now. Grinderz by 20. How they say it?
Makes one defender miss. One flag sticks his defender in the air. Still has. This flag is cleared there. That's going to be second down until the 30-yard line for Reflex.
You got on this game?
I got my guy, Jack.
This is that. Goes on to the left
Yeah, y'all got some shirts.
Stroud. Who you got on this game?
Oh, right here watching? You know, if
Going Jack.
if you but if you can't stop their pitch game and you can't pick out who's getting the ball off rip for, you know, when they take those shots that they hit those screens in front of you, Grinderz.
That's the snap. Stepping out to the right side. Next one defender miss. Next another. Stroud has his
And you gotta pull flag. Flags, man. And you gotta pull flags.
Time out. Grinderz.
Hey, I already peeped that, Corey.
Yeah. I'll holler at you. I know your head, turn full. I got you.
There's first and third. There's the snap. 9 minutes, 19 seconds remaining.
Hey, nobody you in, man. Got you. Hey. That's coming to you. Alabama, Suki, that's coming to you.
There's the snap. Those on shovels. The pass is gone. Touchdown, Grinderz.
Who you got?
Honestly, it's a close game so far. I'm gonna go Jacboys by like 1 point.
I got Jacboys. I don't know the scope. Look like it's gonna be good.
It can go either way. Like.
There's the snap. Throws it high. That's caught. Conversion is good. There's no time. 7 minutes, 20.
Center right here in front of me.
Yeah.
So if I go there and then if I stay, it's there. I got
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's the only way we're gonna stop that.
Jacboys back to his seat. Ball fights. Goes out to the right side. Goes right back as well. That's going to be first down. It's at the 50-yard line for Jacboys. Less than 6 minutes. his first down. Steps, throws, that's going to be incomplete. Second down, it's at the 50-yard line. Did not, he only had one play.
That's why, bro.
That's going to be first and 10.
I didn't know we were going to say that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So we heard. Let's go. Pretty much. Yeah.
Shit finna get ugly in a minute.
Straight to the face. I ain't trying to hear that shit, dog. Come on, bro. They're holding. Touch my face. They're holding. I ain't fucking holding him. Body bag.
Body bag.
Come on, bro. I told Batman that. I said, bro, your rush bag is weak. It is weak.
You gotta stick with it. Don't give him too much time. Make him make a play. Right? Just get there and make the plays.
Let's go. Line up. We good.
Hey, outside guys, stay home.
Hey, he lowered his shoulders. He lowered his shoulders.
Hey, outside guys, stay home.
Hey, he lowered his shoulders.
Who you got, Walt?
Oh shit, man. I don't know. Hey, I'm just here to watch football, man. don't put me in.
Yeah, I seen you, bro.
No, they good at game. High school game, that is. That's what I tell you.
There's a snap.
Who you got?
The pet. That's what I got. The pet.
Push down off that.
There's a snap. That's 36 seconds remaining.
I had Grinderz. I already know the score, but
Probably. I got Jacboys.
Man, I got Jacboys. No cap. Jacboys for the dub. I need.
All right, fuck it. I'll keep the seat.
Good job. Way to pass.
There's a snap. Looks to the left.
First down, all right?
Back is going to keep rolling. 30 seconds on the clock. Goes to the left option. Goes to the
I'm getting held on the feet. Touchdown. He dropped the ball.
hold on, Jacboys.
Hey, we want to review that.
I got him.
They want to review that. Hey, Jay, stop.
There's the snap. And to the middle.
Go.
Still has his legs. Touchdown!
Grinderz! Ain't nobody touch that man, dog.
Yeah, I need one of these.
That ain't no hold.
He don't even know what number it was on.
Good job by Jacboys. Still has his legs. It's a fitness down to the end zone. He's swimming his ball. Too much celebrating. Could have came away with the extra point. That's going to be no good.
Nigga, he just better be 500. I want my money, nigga. I don't play like that, nigga. You should never bet it, nigga.
Seconds remaining.
You see what he was talking about? No, that nigga's quick. Oh, that's him? Yes.
Who you got?
Damn, I don't know. I'm gonna give it a Grinderz because I think they're a little bit more level-headed. A little bit more. I'm gonna give barely though. It's gonna be a good game. It can go any way, but I'm gonna give it a Grinderz.
10 seconds remains. There's the snap. That's going to be incomplete. There's a snap. Throws it high.
Even on the play. Alan, that's you.
If he want to beat us and take our back on the field, hey, more power to you.
We're too talented of a defense to focus on one thing. That's what's fucking us up.
We're over here trying to focus on all three O-lines.
That's
What's up, Commish? Congrats on your touchdown, man. Hey, this shit's still here, though. This shit's still here.
There's a snap. Takes off to his left side. High into the pitch.
Hey, Black, 12-6-5. Doing it. 2, 1.
There's a snap. That's deflected. That's going to be incomplete. Third down. There's the snap. That's 22 minutes. There's the snap. That's going to be fourth down for Grinderz. That's enough minutes. There's the snap. There's fifth down. There's first and goal. Second down. There's a snap on second down. Bob's in at the middle. He's going to be through. That's going to. Here's third down. There's a quick roll to his left side. There's a snap. There's an out to the left. One more cover option. Backwards to the outside. And target. And now, that's going to be incomplete. Turnover.
We got enough?
Yep. Defense y'all good?
First down.
Outside got the curve.
Snap.
Double!
I'm with you. Put back inside.
We are.
Great. You got water?
Yeah.
Boom.
Snap. Sits off in the pocket, dumps out to number 4, able to pick up the first down and a little bit extra yardage there. Able to pick up the first down and a little bit extra yardage
I never get that no fun.
There's the snap. Steps up. Pushes on to his right side. And runs it back from the run.
Hey! Give the ball! Give it a pump!
Hey, you want the open? Go on for open.
Hey, KT!
Go in. That's off to the left. Works as that's a little too low. That's going to be incomplete.
Hey, let's go, y'all.
There is it. Here's first down into the 34. Grinderz. There's a snap. 10.5 minutes remaining. That's going to be second. There's a snap. Goes in quickly up the middle. Gets out to his outside stance. His flags. One more. Pregame. There's a snap. There's a quickly up the field. Here's Pregame. That's going to be. There's a snap. Hold! Third down and he's sacked. That's going to be. There's a snap. There's a snap. Steps. Throws it deep in.
Thank you, that's 8!
Turnover! 7 minutes remaining. Steps. Throws it deep in.
Thank you, that's 8!
Hey, Fondue, what's the record? That's 8. What's the record? That's 8.
Hey, that's real scrap king right there.
Hey,
defense and MVP.
Hey, no high
Rookie of the
point.
year. You know what I'm saying?
No high point.
And this shit don't jam.
No
This
high
shit
point.
jamming right now. He don't know what to do.
Hey, that wasn't no PR that time.
Tap. Throws it quickly out to his left side there. He's going to be through. There's a snap. Throws quick left. Has a screen set up on the outside there. He is pulled. That's going to be 3rd down into the 30-yard line for Jacboys. There's the snap. Takes off. Up the middle of the field. That's going to be 1st down into the 50. Here's 1st down. There's a snap. Steps up. Picks up another 1st. Pitches it to the left. Has a screen. Pitches it back. Still has both flags and... That's going to be 1st and goal for Jacboys with just under 3 minutes remaining. Less than 3 minutes remains.
Okay.
Snap.
Can't forget about Nate, dog. What they thought? Jackers.
Put that in the Discord. You saw where I was at. Yeah. Put that in the Discord. Hey. You do that when I was on the field. I was chilling.
Battle. Trust it. No. D-Lo, get on the sideline. No.
Hey, no, y'all didn't know that.
There's a snap. Here's a 2-point attempt. Throws it off to the left side option. Searching for a couple targets. Approaching. Throws up the middle. It's good! 2-point conversion is good!
Hey, hold on, dude. Hold on, dude. Hey, hold on.
Jacboys increase their lead.
Hey, we shot that bitch in the middle.
Jacboys. 54 seconds remains in the game.
Look at your teammate. His head down.
We've been doing that, though.
Hey, come here.
Check out.
Come here. Yes, you have. And we're going to the...
Grinderz. Let you know we able to shot the ball.
Oh, you got.
Hey, what happened?
Why you dance on TJ? Here you go.
That was up.
Here's 1st down into the 54 pointers. There's a snap. Pushed up strong. Throws it off to the left side.
That ain't shit. Y'all proud about it. Shit, sweet.
1st down.
Here we go.
There's a snap.
Away.
Throws it at the middle. There's a snap. Michigan strong steps up. Throws it up. And that's going to be dropped. 18 seconds remains. There's a snap. Michigan strong steps up.
Okay,
play flag for real. That's a sack.
Come here, huddle.
Game clock.
Hey, both of y'all go. DJ, both of y'all go.
There's a snap. Throws it off to his right side. Another backwards pass. In the end zone. And that is going to be a safety. Ball is out. Lynch tries to find some leads. Has some time in the middle of the field, draining a lot of it. It's pushed out of bounds with 21 seconds remains. Here's first down into the 50-yard line for Jacboys. There's a snap. Pumps. Watches. Throws it to the right side. Timeout. Jacboys.
Y'all ain't beat us for it. I'm saying we beat y'all for it. Come on, man. Everyone turn around and get your own lead. Turn around and get your own lead.
There's the snap. Steps. Throws off to the left side. In the midfield.
Oh, no, nigga. No. Shit ain't going, man.
There's a snap. As time expires, he plants out. Here's the final target. As time expires, Jacboys in the end zone once again.
Maybe I'm rookie of the year.
And that looks like a familiar celebration. There's a snap for the two-point conversion. Monty takes off up in the middle.
He a linebacker, DB. He a linebacker.
Light work. Get the ass. Light work.
Yo, we do.
Caroline. You know I got. There was one.
Motherfucking brother.
Way to play, Jack. Way to play, Jack.
You play out there a good job.